Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text from iMessage. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. You'll see a list of your conversations. To start a new message, tap the Compose icon, which looks like a square with a pencil, usually found in the top right corner. This will open a new message window, ready for you to begin. Once you've tapped the Compose icon, enter the recipient's name or phone number in the To field. You can add multiple contacts for a group chat. Then, tap the text field above your keyboard and type your message. When you're ready, simply tap the blue send arrow to deliver your iMessage. It's that easy to connect with others. iMessage offers fun ways to enhance your texts. Tap the plus icon next to the text field to add photos, videos, or even your location. You can also access iMessage apps for stickers and more. For special flair, type your message, then long press the blue send arrow to reveal bubble and screen effects. You can also react to messages by long pressing them and choosing a tapback. If your iMessages aren't sending, first check your internet connection. Ensure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active. Next, go to Settings, then Messages, and confirm iMessage is toggled on. If issues persist, try restarting your iPhone. Keeping your iOS software updated also helps ensure smooth messaging. These simple steps resolve most common sending problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.